Welcome to iFixScreens, Deer Park. Need help fixing your gadget or gaming console? We are your local one-stop shop for fixing any kind of electronic device. If your iPhone, Samsung, MacBook, or any other device is broken, let our experts fix it. Here, you can get any kind of repair done on the same day. This includes repairs for your iPhone, Samsung, MacBook, and SmartWatch. You can also ask us about our best-in-class repairs for gaming consoles like Nintendo Switch, Xbox, and PlayStation. At the iFixScreens, Deer Park, you can be sure to pay the least for repairs. We can fix your phone's screen, replace its battery, and more. Our experts are trained to fix both old and new devices, like the iPhone 13 Pro and even the MacBook Air, in the best way possible. We make sure the parts we use are good and meet OEM standards. That's why all repairs done by our certified technicians come with a 180-day warranty against problems caused by the manufacturer. So if something goes wrong with your device the next time, don't worry, just go to iFixScreens, Deer Park. Call us at 631-940-9397 if you need a repair shop that will surely fix your phone or game console and make it work like new. Or check out our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/deer-park-ny. We're looking forward to fixing your electronics for the least amount of money.